Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Warrior channel. Recently, the Korean aerospace industry and the country's Air Force on Tuesday confirmed the first successful flight test of a new generation fighter jet. South Korea records successful maiden flight test of its KF-21 fighter jet. The test puts South Korea on the map as the world's 8th country to have developed supersonic fighter jets, 20 years after former President Lee Jae-kim ordered the development of a Korean fighter. The Air Force and Korea Aerospace Industries previously conducted a successful ground-based engine thrust test late last month. The KF-21, armed with 4 METEOR air-to-air missiles and piloted by Major Junhyeon Ahn of the Air Force Test and Evaluation Unit, took off from an Air Force base near Korea Aerospace Industries headquarters in Sacheon, South Gyeongsang Province, at 3:40 p.m. local time. The fighter jet flew at a speed of 400 km per hour, 200 knots, for 30 minutes to check basic functions of the jet's body, landing safely at 4:13 p.m. Korea Aerospace Industries plans to conduct around 2,000 test flights with 6 prototypes until June 2026, followed by mass production in the same year. The Korean Air Force considers deploying 120 KF-21s by 2032. The aircraft type would be verified as a potentially combat-capable asset at the end of 2023, and additional ordnance tests for KF-21 Block 2 will be conducted in 2026. 40 Block 1 jets are envisioned to be capable of air-to-air battles, while 80 Block 2 jets that will be deployed as of 2028 are meant to also perform air-to-ground engagements. The two key components, an electronic radar and an infrared target tracker, were developed by Hanwha Systems with local technology and supplied to the first KF-21 prototype. A radio frequency jammer and integrated electronic warfare suite were supplied by LIGNEX-1. The KF-21 is expected to be armed with South Korea-developed air-launched cruise missile and 10 other air-to-ground weapons, including METEOR air-to-air missiles for the first time in Asia. The cruise missiles will give the fighter a precision strike capability over long distances outside an enemy's air defense or interception system. The Korean military also plans to place hypersonic missiles, currently in development, on the KF-21. Thanks for watching.